What's going on, everybody? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 25 Week 9 live cop. And so far, this has got to be the best collab of the season. I'm so hyped and I'm sure you guys are too. I've been talking about this all week with my friend Jose. I think he really wants me to try to get as many of these things as I can for the store. However, I kind of feel like this is one of those weeks where you only get one cart for like the good items. I don't even think I'm going to have time to circle back. I think it's like a one and done in the cart and you're just good because everything's going to be gone. I do think both of the hats are going to sit, so we are going to try to go for those after my first cart, because in the first cart, I'm just going to try to get the 2 hoodies and then just call it a day. I highly doubt I'm going to be able to get both hoodies and then go back to get the jerseys and still get this all in like one cart. I just feel like it's not going to be one of those days where you can add stuff, go back, and then check out again. Doesn't seem like that to me, but I could be wrong. But let's just talk about everything that's dropping. So unfortunately, the zip up hoodie is the most hyped item of the week. We are going to try to get 2 of them like I just said. Then we got the thermal crew neck. This comes out pretty much every single year. I have like enough of these. I got the black one, the camo one. I don't need any more of these. So we probably will pass on these, but I am thinking about maybe getting them for free shipping if we are able to get a second cart. And then we got the jersey. The jersey is $168, which I do actually want to go for, but like I said, I think it's like a one or the other, and I would much rather get 2 of the hoodies than the jersey. But who knows, like I said, I could be completely wrong and they could sit to where you do have time to get 2 carts, but we're about to find out. Then we got the sweater, the helmet, and the gloves. We are going to pass on all of those items, just not anything that I need to get, and the helmet's like almost $400, so we're just going to pass on those. I did want to say that the work jacket is absolutely fire. I do like this thing. I feel like it's got a lot of mixed reviews that I've seen so far, but being $500 after tax, we are going to have to pass, unfortunately. Then we got the thermal pants that go with it, and then we got the long sleeve top, which I think I did like a little bit better than the jersey. This is going to be one of those things that I think might sit longer than the jersey, so we are going to try to add the hats with this. Probably going to pass on the, oh yeah, definitely going to pass on the Swarovski S logo New Era. Had no idea that thing was $200, so we are going to pass on that and the chest guard. And then we're down to the 2 things I was talking about, the beanie and the 6 panel. I think there's more than 2 colors. There's more than 2 colors, but I don't think we're going to be able to get like every single color. I don't think it's going to be one of those things. I think we'll probably only be able to get 2 at the most, but we're still going to try to get 2 of each, possibly try to see what else is left to try to get that free shipping. The shiny down puffer is probably my least favorite thing of the collab. I'm actually kind of surprised that the baggy jeans are below that and the sweatpants are below that, which I think is crazy. We do have the outline beanie, which we are going to try to go for as well. Should be really easy on that one. But then lastly, we do have the sweatpants. See, I wanted to try to get 2 sets to where like if I got 2 of the hoodies, I would get 2 of the sweatpants as well. I just don't see that being a possibility because literally the sweatpants might sit, but I don't think the hoodie's gonna sit. But I am running a little bit behind today, so we do have to jump right into the live cop. But before we do that, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store at the Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. Sudden does have a drop coming up here pretty soon, so make sure you sign up for that so you don't miss out. And let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. So like I said, we're running a little bit behind. We only got about 30 seconds left until the drop. Last week was the number 9 collab. I think pretty much everything is in stock, obviously, besides the collab. I also forgot what else. Oh, all the leather goods are sold out. Never mind, I'm tripping. I honestly forgot even what last week was. We got about 10 seconds left until the drop. Like I said, we're just going to try to get those 2 hoodies and then just see what is left, if there even is anything left. After that, it's 11. Let's go. Still loading a little bit slow. Oh, geez, where's the hoodie? Where's the hoodie? Down here. We're gonna go for black. Gonna go. Oh, I wanted that in a medium. I wanted that in a medium, but we got the large. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get through this. If it was literally any other week, I probably would have tried to like take that. Oh, what? No way. What was that? What? Are you, what? I haven't seen anything like that in forever. Is this whole thing gone? No way. I think the whole thing is gone. What even was that? And now that's gone. Wow, I should have just checked out with the 1. No way. We are dropping the ball on this, guys. And now, no way. What? What? Both? Are you kidding me? Now I'm mad. I don't even know what to do. All right, we're going to try to get this hat, though. You actually can get more, but now I'm like mad. We're just gonna get those two. We're gonna go back, try to get this, because this is another thing that I wanted. Are you kidding me? I'm sure that's gonna sell out. Are you kidding? We don't even need this now, but now I just kind of want to get it. I'm mad. The blue hoodie's got to be gone, right? No, the blue hoodie is still there. It's still in my cart. We're just gonna try to check out with that. I don't even care. What even was that? I have not seen that in so long. Great, something just went wrong. So we did get the navy, which clearly nobody wants because the other ones just sold out so quickly. That might be the only cart we're gonna get today. We gotta go back now that I got it. Oh my god, I forgot about the long sleeve top, but it's still sitting there. How much is this? 128. Hold on, we're just gonna, if this sells out, I'm not gonna be mad, but I just want to see something real quick here. This was the one I was thinking about. Hold up, let me just see. So camo and blue are still sitting, but these are both gone. That is crazy. I'm so upset right now. These are full size run. I mean, we're already at the free shipping right now if we check out like this. Did I forget the beanie? Guys, I think I forgot the beanie. Okay, so I think the hoodie just sold out. I think the hoodie might have just sold out because now my cart is less. Yeah, okay, that's sold out now, so we're quite far away from free shipping. Oh wait, no, we're not. We're at 2. Oh, I forgot because the other thing was $100. This is insane to me, guys. I can't even believe this right now. I'm genuinely upset about this. What is my card even looking like? Is this even worth checking out with? Something is sold out again, but I think that might have just been the hoodie. Yeah. All right, a lot. I guess we're gonna try to check out with this. Dang, that sucks. What is going on right now? All right, something didn't work again. I need to go see if I got the beanie because I think I completely forgot about the 2 beanies. Failed the captcha again. Failed the captcha again. Something's got to be gone now. All right, there we go. So we did get that second cart. I'm so upset. That's crazy. Like, I can't even believe this right now. I know I've said that like 40 times, but what is going on? Even the sweater sold out first? No way. I just don't even believe this. That was like 2016 box logo days. Like, I just wasn't expecting that. Now, all the beanies and hats are still here, which I did expect, but I just wanted to see again. Like, this has got to be worth a ton of money on the aftermarket then. Like, I'm already calling it. This has got to be worth a lot. If that sold out that fast, this is going to be worth a ton of money. I'm already calling it. But all right, let me just end the live cop here. So that's going to do it for my week 9 live cop. Like, what even was that? We have not seen that in ages. I feel like that was like an instant through the queue and an instant sellout. I cannot believe that. I'm like so upset about this. I need to see what this is doing on the aftermarket next week when these start landing from the online orders. We still got the blue, which might have been a bust, but it did sell out. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I knew that was gonna fly, but I just did not think it was gonna sell out that fast. So we did take an L this week, but that's all right. We did get some things. I mean, I think we pretty much got everything else that we were going for, so it wasn't that big of an L. But now I just feel like this is gonna be like so expensive that I'm just gonna be so mad at myself. But we'll just have to wait to find out. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below. Like I previously said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop and if you guys are feeling this drop or not. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.